Hello, Year 12 and 13. This is a quick video about the key resources you should know about when you're studying for your A-levels with us, whether that's maths and or further maths. So, I'm going to start with the hgsmaths.com website. You can see we have a video of the week, particularly of interest for those of you that might be thinking about taking maths further and developing a broader interest in maths. But obviously, we have a Year 12 page and a Year 13 page, and that's separated to maths and further maths. Just going to go to Year 12. Maths. The key documents I want to highlight to you are those under revision resources. Obviously, things to do with practice papers, past papers will become more relevant as you go through the course, but this is a really important link. What it will do is it'll open up a PDF which you can download and save, but that PDF has links to lots of other sites. We've tried to collate for you the best of what is out there on the internet in terms of practice. My favorite, if I want to recommend one for you to try, is to go down to the Tayyib Majid folder. It's a link to a Google Drive folder, okay? So I'm just going to copy and paste that into a browser. The hyperlink should hopefully work for you as well. And what I like about this is it's split into this format. So if you're doing A-level maths, it's just the bottom three folders, pure mechanics stats. And it's fairly well structured in terms of the course and the textbook we use. And if you navigate your way through, what you find is a document for each skill. And what he's done is in chronological order from the earliest old spec questions all the way to newer spec questions. There we go, that's the newer spec there. Is questions on that topic, and it goes question, mark scheme, question, mark scheme, question, mark scheme. It's a really good way to find past paper practice. So remember, that's hosted on our website in revision resources. Dr. Frost, which you can go through here, and obviously you should be able to log into, is the next most important thing, because the key thing there is, as well as the fact that you could be set homework on there from your teacher, is I want to talk to you more so in this video about what you can do to get better at maths. Now you have two key places to look, which is the course you've been added to, and you've been added to the A-level course, and you can do independent practice. Now the independent practice, the more you use Dr. Frost, the more it will recommend things for you to do. I'm going to show you the course. When you click on the course, it will take you to the Pearson course, and as you can see, the chapters here match exactly the chapters in the book that we use. So again, you can navigate your way to a given chapter, and what it does there is it gives you all the Dr. Frost questions, key skills and exam questions in one place. If you're not sure about what something looks like, click on example, it'll generate one for you to have a quick go at. Gives you an idea of difficulty, or you can select a selection of things you want to have a go at and just click practice. What I'd like you to do with this is to hone in and perfect and master individual elements of the course as you go through. And on your home screen, as I talked about before, in your dashboard, you have this kind of like mastery indicator in the top corner. So see how well you can do that. And if you do a topic test, you can get the trophies as well. Last of all, and most obviously, your textbooks. ActiveLearn Access, most of you will only see the maths textbooks. Now I'm on the teacher website, so it looks a little bit different for me. When you go to student books, this is more what you see. I can see the further maths ones as well. But the key thing I want to point out here is that when you go to the student book, there is a solution bank. So if you're doing an exercise and you click on this symbol next to the exercise, you can bring up a solution bank. And a solution bank, remember, it's not just the answers, it's work solutions. If you're doing an exercise, if I put this in single page view, if you're doing an exercise, you can always skip to using a contents page to the answers at the back as well. Okay, answers are there. So hopefully, in recap, you got hgsmaths.com, Dr. Frost Maths with the independent work you can do here, as well as the homeworks you may be set, and obviously, and very importantly, these books. I should also say these practice books are mirrors of these books. They're additional exercises which match the exercises in the textbooks. And they're called student practice books.